Khubor ka Mpcc TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ulakno bag United Democratic Party kadai ka parti Khawpud ka bamnut ban kren AA halor gijingja balaja dangshen hagni gejalla hagjinya kren bigilat pathai khubor ba Pala ulong hamal laki khap bag UDP kay kenu jing e hagajaka ban kren bat ban weng ye gijing e ka phaidien bat phet nakmat upaj ba kani gijing kentho uba Pala persya ye UDP kalong hadien bu president ka UDP East Khasi Hills district uba Tita Starwell Khan dangshen ulaphai ktien shakinong yelam ka Seng Congress bagi Dewan Petchwa yala ka jong yeng ka sem haswa begin kedau kti yakiwei.
That is their own views. I don't know what, but I could see that UDP, their own UDP wants their own UDP to be dropped. Like when Rumbui was a home minister, UDP themselves want him to resign, and I think he did try to resign, but NPP controlled the UDP. Same thing this time also. I think UDP becomes like a coward party where whenever they face a problem, whenever they face any public reactions, they'll try to run away from the problems. So instead of solving the problem, they try to run away from the problems. I think Rumbui has really embarrassed his own party, where his own party demanded his resignation, and his own party, his own departments is fighting with another departments. The home departments under him, education department under him. So home department tear gassed the education department, the teachers and all. So this shows that the totally failure of the UDP. So be it in the house, be it in the governance. So I think UDP has to think seriously. I have no problem for the saying that Congress should look in the odds. We also have problems and we solve it now. We have no problem as of now. But the problems I have told you earlier, the problem will start in the UDP now. The problem will start in NPP now. By the time they go to the election, they'll be busy in fighting here and there. And you'll see that the pressure on Bapuston to become a chief minister is very high. And the pressure on the Conrad to retain his seat is very high. So the infighting or amongst the NPP is very high of different groups. So I think in that line, if you see Congress is the only party where we don't have infighting as of now. We have been working for almost more than a year now, preparing for the elections. We did have some sort of setback when April left us, but thank God, I think now we are in a position where we can fight this election confidently and with lots of new faces, new candidates, all clean image. What the people of Meghalaya wants is that they want that the Congress should come back because they've experienced the present government, be it BJP or what we call MDA government. So they've experienced in terms of price rise, in terms of law and order, in terms of corruption, in terms of economy, in terms of unemployment. You have seen everywhere they have failed. So what we have to do, we have to give the right candidate. We have to clean a clean image candidate. We are trying to do that. We are exactly doing that. Next is now only we have to fight elections. We already started a process of calling the invitations from different blocks who would like to contest. So we are already in the process. Our process should be over by mid of December. Hopefully by end of December we'll be able to send it to Delhi. So I hope that this time we'll try to see that the declarations or the announcement of the candidates should be quite much better than always in the nick of the hour. So this time I think we'll announce in advance some of the areas we should announce the candidate in advance. So with this preparation, I think we are much better preparation, much better prepared than any other parties. The NPP candidates, when they want to organize, the public did not cooperate with them. So they organize a congress and run away. So they run away as a candidate or they run away as a leader, but they will not get all the voters. So I think in that line, you see preparation, unity, Congress is much better than UDP, much better than even NPP. Forget about BJP. You see BJP, that the leader says we want to withdraw, and Sanbor said no, I will not withdraw. So very embarrassing for them. If you compare all those UDP, NPP, BJP, Congress, we are much better. And to say that they should look at the house should be in order, our house is already in order. So their house is I think their house is likely to collapse very soon.